New tonight, golf and mental illness may not seem like a natural pairing, but as Action News Now's Jerry Lennon shows us, they came together perfectly today at the Bidwell Municipal Golf Course in Chico.
164 golfers paid $150 each to play 18 holes, not just for fun, but to make a meaningful impact. They came together for the Fore, Cesar, and Law Enforcement Mental Health Awareness Golf Tournament, raising both awareness and funds. Cesar Sandoval was a respected and beloved member of the Chico Police Department. He retired on his birthday, his 50th birthday. 9 months later, he took his own life. Brian Rodrigo worked closely with Sandoval for 6 years. He considered him a friend, but never knew the depth of his struggle.
Everyone hides it because no one wants to talk about it, especially in law enforcement, first responders. It's, no one wants to say they're hurting or they need help.
Sandoval's wife and 2 children were present at the event, where the most important number wasn't on a scorecard, but in the final total, $50,000 raised. That money will support local peer counseling programs and scholarships for young people pursuing their choice of career.
It's been 2 years, yes.
2 years since losing her husband of 29 years. Jessica Sandoval knew he was under pressure, but not how deeply it had affected him.
I know now that the stress of everything that he endured during his career really did put a damper on him, even if I didn't think it did, but he didn't talk about it a lot.
The last 2 years have been really difficult for me, emotionally, physically.
The Sandoval children are still navigating the loss, but they do so with compassion and a desire to honor their father's true spirit.
It wasn't him anymore, because if you knew him, this wasn't it.
Yeah.
So accepting that it was no longer him, and just remembering who he was and not what he did.
A beautiful day of golf and good causes, highlighted by a flyover from the Butte County Sheriff's Office helicopter. Beneath the sunshine was a somber reminder of loss, but also a growing hope that mental illness can be faced, talked about, and ultimately conquered. In Chico, Jerry Lennon, Action News Now.
Sandoval's son, who you saw in that story, plans to follow in his father's footsteps and become a first responder. According to First Help, there were 143 first responder suicides nationwide in 2024, and while that number is less than the previous year, advocates say it is still far too many heroes lost to mental illness.